Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove friend from Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now go to profile and here scroll down. And here you will see my friends. Tap on it. Now this is the list of your friends. If you want to remove particular friend, then just tap on your friend name. And here tap on profile or tap on username. And here tap on three dot. Select manage friendship. And here this is the list, or this is the menu where you can report or block or edit name or remove friend. So tap on remove friend, and if you are sure to remove friend, then tap on remove again. So in this way you can remove your friends from Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.